guys, today I want to do a video and review experience on my past few weeks of using the Olay Deep Hydration Serum with B3 and Hyaluronic Acid. This is the bottle. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen this because I did post and I was going to be testing it out for a few weeks. So I'm going to show you guys a before and after of my skin. But first I'm going to talk to you about serums because some people may not be familiar with those are and also how they're used. But I want to get into that so that you're well educated on what they are by the end of this video. A serum usually comes in a bottle like this, and it's a product that you apply after you cleanse your face and right before your moisturizer. So it basically usually serves as a barrier of extra moisture. As far as the Olay Deep Hydration Serum, you're definitely going to get that extra amount of moisture to your skin, especially during these weird months where the weather is going back from cold to hot, like it is here in Texas. It's like my skin can never get used to, just one product, one moisturizer. But when using a serum before it, it really ended up helping a lot. I mentioned at the beginning of the video that this serum from Olay has hyaluronic acid. You may be wondering what that is. Well, it penetrates your skin. Ugh. I penetrated my tooth by accident. It penetrates your skin and it hydrates your skin from deep within. So if you have dry skin like I do, y'all do know I have really dry skin, like super crazy dry skin. This has been seriously amazing because it penetrates your skin from deep beneath the surface. So it's going to have a way better effect in doing that. Also, what I love about this, it takes literally just the smallest amount, literally a few drops. And one drop of this stuff has the ability to renew 1 million skin cells. Think about that. One drop, 1 million. So you're using several before you're moisturizing. You can probably do that math. It's crazy. It's fragrance free, no worries about that. No parabens. It also has no synthetic dyes or mineral oil, so you don't have to worry about your skin feeling greasy after you apply this, which is great. You can experience instant hydration, dewy skin, and a visibly healthy complexion in just 2 weeks of using this. 2 weeks of daily use of using this deep hydration serum. And with all this extra time that we have now, we have plenty of time for a pampering, for self-care. What better way to take care of your skin than to use the Olay Deep Hydration Serum? Come on. What better way is there? So I'm just going to show you so you can see how my skin looked before I started using this. I just want you to see. Look at my skin. You can see dry spots. It's kind of dull looking. It's not even kind of dull looking. It's very dull looking. And it just looks like it needs extra moisture. And like I said, I do have dry skin, so that's part of it. But my skin needed attention. It needed help. Now, I'm going to show you a photo after a few weeks of use with the serum. As you can see, you probably see it in the picture. Even better, because you see it still. But I'm also going to show you in this video. Look at my skin. Look. You can literally see how much dewier it is. You can see the glow I have. You can see my skin is well hydrated. I literally can't stop touching my skin or looking in the mirror because my skin is so hydrated, which is rare. It's a little cooler outside today, so those are the days that my skin needs the most attention, but you really can't tell the difference. My summer skin and my winter skin is way different. My spring and summer, both are really hot in Texas, okay? But my spring skin and my winter skin are different. Usually, visibly as well. I can't tell the difference. I really can't. I literally wish y'all could touch and feel my skin. But you could, I can come closer. Look. And for full transparency, I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm only wearing eyebrow product because my brows have to be on point when it comes to video filming. Y'all know that. My brows have to be on point. I can't not do that. But yeah, no makeup. And just look how supple and hydrated my skin looks. Guys, you just have to try it for yourself to see how awesome it is. I can't tell you enough how much I really like it. and how amazing my skin feels. And like I mentioned, how you use it. You use a cleanser to cleanse your face, then you follow with several drops of this, and then after that, you just take your favorite Olay moisturizer on top, and you just, there's no fragrance, so it's not going to irritate your allergies, especially this time of year. People have allergies that act up. No worries, it's fragrance free. You just have to try it, okay? I'll have a link below on where you can get this amazing serum, as well as the name of it and all that good stuff. Hope you guys are taking great care of yourselves during this trying period in our lives, and that you do take care of yourself first, because if you don't take care of yourself, who else is going to? And I feel like this is a great way. You're not only, pampering yourself, taking care of yourself, you're also caring for your skin, which is very important. No matter how old you are, it's always good to take care of your skin. It helps you look better, feel better. So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful, and you'll give this product a try. If you do have a chance to give it a try, be sure to let me know in the comments. Yeah, talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.